Good morning. Ahoy. Pupunta kami Red Pal today. It's gonna be a ride of contemplation. At least for me. I've been doing this thing for more than a year now, and I want to see where I am. Let's go.
This moment's happening, but you're not around. You got me searching, but you can't be found.
This is my first time again to ride this gravel bike. Mula nung nagkaroon ako ng road bike noong in December, yun na lang yung ginagamit ko. So I would like to go back to my gravel bike where I started.
Ice cream. She shakes her ice cream. You know she moves her ice cream.
Crossfire na naman. Dahil mainit ang panahon, nauusin na ngayon.
Those bars go crazy when she hits the floor. That boombox shaking leaves her wanting more. You know she's sassy and she can't be beat. They like her ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream. She shakes her ice cream. You know she moves her ice cream. She shakes her ice cream.
Since January 25, after ko nagkaroon ng mahaba-habang flu, nagsimula ako ng training plan to improve my base fitness. Walang kamatayang zone 2 all the way. And 3 months after ng pagkukulong sa loob ng indoor trainer, nakita naman yung mga results. I've lost, I think, around 6 kilos. And nung nag-ride kami ng RCC, napansin nila, laki ng penetro. So after that baseline or base training period, nagsimula na ako ng endurance. Kasi ayoko maiwan sa mga group rides. Tapos na namin ang Kambalahon. Woo! It was fun. Mahirap pero hindi na ako ganun kahapong-hapo. So I guess you would say may improvement yung base training na ginawa ko. Masyado mataas yung gear. Pero napansin ko noong isang araw, nung nag-ride kayo papuntang Indang, hirap ako humabol sa mga kasama ko on the same climb, which is yung Santa Rosa Tagaytay climb. Medyo nakaka-dishearten. I blame yung bike fit na ginawa ko, or bike refit with the bike fitter, of course. Kasi sumasakit na yung tuhod ko na hindi naman nangyayari dati. Pero ang mahirap is that I also have friends na who says na kulang pa ito yung ginagawa ko and hindi to enough whatever it is that I'm doing. So medyo na-discourage ako kasi kaya ako nga ginagawa ito kasi gusto kong lumakas para hindi ako maiwan sa mga rides. Pero kulang pa rin yung ginagawa ko. Dito kami sa sumanan ni Aling Gina. Hello Kuya Edwin.
Peace.
Kaya muna tayo. Katatapos na ngayon magsuman. May nagagalit itong mga kasama ko dahil hindi ko ito sinasama sa vlog.
Tingnan na agad ako. Kasama ba kami dyan?
Ay ano?
Yo bro! What's up man?
Ang tanong eh kung ma-upload ba to? Di ba?
Tamad ka rin ba mag-edit?
Oo eh.
Joel, masipag. Ako po.
Oo, ang daming reels niyan eh. Padyak lang! Oh well. 2 kilometers of pain coming up. Baka! So maturi lang dun sa kwento. Kagabi hindi ako makatulog sa sobrang inis. Kasi feeling ko parang wala akong progress. I mean, yeah, pumayat ako. Pero ang perception ko mahina pa rin ako. Eh siguro dito na pumapasok yung tukso na mag-give up ka na lang. Kasi wala naman din mangyayari. So nalutik ka pa nag-e-effort. Kung sasayang ng oras araw-araw kaka-trainer, kaka-follow ng training plan, kung ganun din lang pala sa dulo. Pero sabi nga nila, if it ain't hard, it's not worth doing. Or if it's easy, basta kung hindi man dali, hindi siya worth going. Yeah. Pacing lang tayo. So yes, what I learned, comparison is thief of joy.
Derek, teka. Bago ka mag-ganyan-ganyan ha. Alam mo naman saying dito.
Yes.
Ang fitness test pagdating mo dyan, 40 push-ups. Okay, down and give me 40.
Okay.
Ay, gagawin talaga. Joke lang, joke lang.
Inaabot ko na eh. We made it. So yes, it's instead of comparing myself to others, ang kalaban ko lang dito ay sarili ko. And I should ignore anyone who says I'm not doing enough. Just because hindi ako umaabot sa kanilang standards. So yes, I should just continue to do what I'm doing, and I'll get there eventually. Woo! So pababa na kami. Hindi ko naman alala kung saan to, sa ilang to sa Sinang. So yes. Yeah.
Tayo, no?
Stop muna kami. Hinintay namin yung mga kasama namin. May pumaspas eh.
Yung may hawak ng camera, pumaspas. Yung may hawak ng camera, pumaspas.
Oh yeah. Kagagalang na namin from Coco Ride. And pauwi na kami. Daradaan kami sa West Grove.
This moment's happening, but you're not around.
O bakit?
You got me searching, but you can't be found. You got me running, but you can't be beat. You know you got me, got me. This girl's so hot, she just so out of sight. She look like candy, but she dynamite. She got me running, but she can't be beat.
Maganda rito.
She shakes her ice cream, ice
Siyempre.
cream. Ice cream. She shakes her ice cream. You know she moves her ice cream. She shakes her. You know she got me. Got me. She moves like honey, sexy, slow and sweet. My heart starts sweating when she look at me. Her money maker makes my mouth run dry. You know she got it. Got it. Those boys go crazy when she hits the floor. That boombox shaking leaves and wanting more. You know she's sassy and she can't be beat. They like her ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream. She shakes her ice cream. You know she moves her ice cream. She shakes her ice cream, ice cream.
we're back. Whew. Amazing. Hello. So yan, tapos na ang ride. Finally nakauwi rin. Everything's good. Hangin na malamig naman, pero sobrang tirik ng araw. At buti na lang at nakauwi kami na mas maaga. So yun lang muna for now. I don't know. Wala na akong maisip na sabihin sa inyo. Pero kung gusto nyo walang matutunan ever, subscribe kayo sa akin and we will have fun unlearning everything we've learned so far. Alright, yun lang, and salamat and enjoy.